If you're a caregiver looking for good and safe recipes to make for your loved one with dementia, you may want to consider this dark chocolate pumpkin recipe. Here are a few considerations I'm thinking about when I say that. This recipe makes an easy-to-eat food in the sense that no utensils, spoons, knives, or forks are required. So if the individual you're caring for has trouble managing utensils by themselves, this may be something that's easier for them to eat on their own. In addition, it's a soft food, so it's going to be easier to bite and chew. Pretty much all muffin recipes are. It's just this one doesn't incorporate any nuts or dried fruits, things that are a little bit chewier. It does, however, incorporate dark chocolate. If you've been watching Silver Science 20, you may have caught our video on antioxidants. If you didn't see it, that's okay. I'll summarize the relevant part. So the brain is a really active, high metabolic activity organ, which means it's prone to free radicals. Those are unstable molecules and not good for the brain. But some foods that we eat, dark chocolate in particular, contains catechins. That helps to clear out the free radicals that build up in our brain. So it's a nice brain food. Like all of my videos, this is not intended to be medical advice or recommendation. Today's recipe is made by myself and my niece. It's a slightly altered recipe from what Molly made. I hope you enjoy.
This makes 12 muffins. That smells yummy. It really smells like pumpkin too.
Yeah.